Bhasmasur was a powerful demon who performed intense penance to please Lord Shiva. Impressed by his devotion, Shiva appeared before him, and Bhasmasur asked for the power that anyone he touched with his hand would be reduced to ashes. After receiving the boon, Bhasmasur became arrogant and decided to test his power by attempting to touch Shiva himself to see if the boon worked, putting Shiva in grave danger. Realizing the peril, Shiva fled, with Bhasmasur chasing him relentlessly. Shiva sought help from Lord Vishnu, who took the form of Mohini, a divine enchantress of unparalleled beauty. Mohini appeared before Bhasmasur. The demon, struck by her beauty, immediately fell in love and approached her. Mohini pretended to reciprocate his feelings, but stated that she would only accept him if he could match her dance moves perfectly. Bhasmasur, eager to impress her, agreed. Mohini began to perform a mesmerizing dance, and Bhasmasur imitated every move. The dance grew more complex, and Bhasmasur copied her movements with full attention. Finally, Mohini placed her hand on her own head as part of the dance. Without thinking, Bhasmasur mimicked her action and placed his hand on his own head. The moment he did so, the boon granted by Shiva activated, and he was instantly reduced to ashes.